How to call anyone without showing your phone number. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to make calls without revealing your phone number. There are various reasons for wanting this, such as keeping your personal number private or avoiding unwanted calls. I'll guide you through the steps in a clear and manageable way. To begin, open the phone app on your device. Look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and tap on them to access more options. From the menu, select Settings. Once on the Settings page, scroll down to the end and tap on Supplementary Services. Here, you will find an option labeled Show Your Caller ID. Tap on it and then select Never from the options provided. These settings will ensure that a caller ID remains hidden for all future calls. Please note that while these steps work for most users, some network providers may block this feature due to their policies. If you follow these steps and nothing changes, it may be due to restriction from a service provider. And that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.